Welcome to my video about the primitive lifestyle. Primitive living is about living simply, sustainably, and connected to nature. It can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. In this video, I'll share with you some of the benefits of primitive living. Living an easy life in the wild is not about doing nothing. It's about doing the things that are most important to him and that make him happy. It's about living a life that is intentional and meaningful. Living with nature is not an easy way to live. It is about making choices that will simplify his life and allow him to focus on what is most important to him. The way he makes for living depends on a variety of factors, including the location, climate, and resources available to them. We can see in this video he can survive in the wild by using his own hand. Hunting and fishing. This is a traditional way of obtaining food in the wild, and it can still be a viable option for him. However, it is important to be professional in hunting skills. However, the most common ways that he can get a big crab, to obtain his fantastic dinner, and how he cooks the crab today. Let's continue watching. Crabs can be easy to catch depending on the method you use and the type of crab you are targeting. Some of the easiest crabs to catch include muddy crabs. We can see in this video, which are found in the swamp and the sea bay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also follow my Facebook page. I'll be back next day with another video. Thanks again for watching.